Question 2. Explain whether the following equations are a system of linear equations in 3 variables. Okay, linear equation means equation of straight line. Equation of straight line means all the unknowns must have power 1 only. If you have power 2, that means it's not a linear equation. It will be a quadratic equation and so on. 3 variables means it must only have 3 unknowns. Let's say A, B, C, or X, Y, Z, or P, Q, R, and so on. Cannot have 4 or cannot have 2 lah. Okay, right, let's check. A. So in A, all these unknowns are to the power of 1. So next we have to check whether we have only 3 unknowns or not. So the first one we have M and P. Second one N, M, P. Okay, nothing extra. Third one M, P, M. Okay, so it all falls within this M, N, and P. So this will be a linear equation in 3 variables. Yes, you can say because the power of all variables are 1. And you can say we only have 3 variables M, P, N. Only has 3 variables M, N, and P. Done. Okay, let's look at B. Here, I think we already spot this. So this is not a linear equation. So straight away you can say no, because the power of variable are not 1. Done. Or you can say the power of variable is 2. Okay, C. Here we have A, C, B, fine. C, A, B, fine. A power 1, B power 1, C power 1. Okay, done. So all of it power 1. Then let's look at the variables. We have A, C, B, or A, B, and C. Here C, A, B, C, B. Okay, it all falls within these 3. So this is a linear equation because we can just copy this lah basically. It's the same thing. Let's duplicate, put here. This one I erase. Yes, because power of all variables are 1, only has 3 variables A, B, and C. Done. This will be our answer. That's it.